Rise Broadband Full Review: Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to Rise Broadband plans and pricing are in the description, so check them out if you're interested. Now let's get straight into the review. Rise Broadband is a fixed wireless internet provider, primarily serving rural and underserved areas where cable and fiber options are limited. Unlike satellite internet, fixed wireless uses nearby towers to deliver internet service, resulting in lower latency and faster speeds. Rise Broadband offers plans ranging from 25 megabit per second to 100 megabit per second, with both capped and unlimited data options. The service is available without contracts, though signing a 2-year agreement can lower your monthly cost. Installation requires a small outdoor antenna, which connects to a router inside your home. Rise Broadband is designed for rural households, small businesses, and remote workers who need a reliable internet connection without relying on expensive satellite services. It's best for general browsing, streaming, and working from home, though heavy gamers and users needing gigabit speeds may find it limiting. The option for unlimited data plans makes it one of the better rural internet choices compared to satellite providers with strict data caps. Now, let's go over the strengths. The biggest advantage is availability. Rise Broadband reaches many rural locations that lack fiber or cable. Latency is lower than satellite internet, making it more suitable for video calls and casual gaming. The unlimited data option is another major plus, as many rural ISPs impose strict limits. No contracts provide flexibility, though committing to a longer term can bring discounts. However, there are some weaknesses. The maximum speeds are lower than fiber and some cable providers, making it less ideal for high-bandwidth activities like 4K streaming on multiple devices. Service quality can also vary depending on tower distance and network congestion. Additionally, pricing can be high compared to urban broadband options, and installation requires a technician visit. Overall, Rise Broadband is a solid choice for rural users needing a stable, wireless internet solution without the high latency and data caps of satellite providers. If it's available in your area, it's one of the best alternatives for reliable rural broadband. Check the links in the description for the latest deals, and if this review was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more expert insights.